How you doing, guys? And once again we have a package to unbox. This is from China, from HYGJ. City is Xinglonglu, China. And this one is from TIDRADIO, but what's inside I'm not sure, so we're going to open and check this out. So let's open this. I guess we can cut it anyway. Let's cut it over here. My microphone cut off, so we have to redo this video. Anyway, I already looked inside. There is 3 accessories inside here. There is 2 antennas and 1 handheld microphone. Check this out. There is a small antenna, big antenna, and a microphone. So let's start with this antenna. See it right here, it's TD805S. I actually found the product page on AliExpress from the official TIDRADIO shop. Let's go to AliExpress. Here it is. Basically, the important part is that it's not expensive. That's the most important part here. Because I have a fake antenna here. It's just a similar size, right? It says diamond here, but there is just a spiral, just like you see over here. I have this one, and this TIDRADIO antenna has a capacitor and 2 different coils, so it's working on 2 meters and 70 centimeters. But we are going to check this antenna in a separate video. In fact, each one of these accessories is going to get a separate video because they deserve each one a separate video. Here we just unboxing and taking a look what's inside. So up next we have a handheld microphone. And on the product page, they don't actually list it, but I've read that this handheld mic is waterproof. Well, I mean, relatively speaking, from rain, right? You're not gonna go swimming with it, but it has, I think, rubber pieces around the body that allow you to walk with it in the rain, which is important. Anyway, what I found so far is just playing with it while you weren't looking. This piece right here comes off, which allows you, I guess, to install this mic onto something like on your dash or something similar, and you can attach it back in, which is nice, I guess. But we're going to check this mic out in a separate video. Just in a short while. Up next here, guys, we have a long antenna. Let me just take it out because I don't see what it says. It says here TD771. I have a similar antenna. I had a similar antenna. It was Nagoya, I think, and mine broke recently. But we can still compare the quality of the antenna. Anyway, here is the product page for this antenna. No, not this one, this one. Let's see description. Description, 15.15 inches. So it's 70 centimeter and it's 2 meter, and I do have nano VNA, so we are going to test all of these antennas in their respective videos. What else? air band and police band. Okay, 2.15 dBi. Yeah, so each one of these accessories we are going to test separately in each separate video, which videos are coming up in a short while. I just said that I do unboxing separately. And for the antennas, we are going to test SWR, which antenna, and compare them with the stock antenna, and also the stock antenna from the Guangsheng as well. So I see you in a short while, guys. If you like this video, press like, subscribe, and I'll see you later.